Tucked away in the humid jungle, enveloped by rocky formation and trees, is Karishi Waterfalls. Located within Karishi, a satellite town in Abuja, it's about 40 to 50 minutes drive from central area without traffic. As you can see, we are on our way to one of the most unique and unexplored tourist attraction in Abuja. The journey promises to be an exciting one with lush landscapes and scenic views along the way. Stay with me. We are in Karshi. Took loads of questions along the way to even get here. The route is not straightforward. Get that in your mind. You definitely need the guide of a local.
Anna! No, you was in Lafia. Lafia! Please, let's go to the waterfall. Okay, it's Karishi Waterfall. So where's Karishi Waterfall?
Note, it is not a journey you'd want to go alone. This is us familiarizing with locals and asking vital questions about safety and route. We asked that some of them join us to the waterfall. Luckily, they agreed. Automatically, they became our tour guide. It wasn't for free and not expensive either. This is us in the Girls Government School College in the same area. They say the school ground provided the shortest route to the captivating cascade. However, this dang security guard stood in our way, denied us access even after we identified ourselves. He said the road to the spot is bad due to the season and that the best time to visit the waterfall is during dry season. Well, unfortunately, we are here now. We cannot just turn back. They suggested another route and we agreed and continued our journey.
It's good. Let's follow the road you told us to follow.
With relief and excitement, we continue this beautiful journey. Hey, I peered through the windshield. The narrow road ahead had transformed into a muddy abyss, swallowing car tires with a sickening squelch. The wheels spinning futilely as you can hear, mirroring the muddy drop streaking down the glasses, the engine strained. Omo, panic bubbled up. My heart was racing. In the middle of nowhere, where there is an alleged prison which is now in use. What if they start coming out now? My family people mobile. Finally, the car tires found solid ground, and we continued.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are in for an adventurous journey. I bet you a lot of persons in Nigeria do not even know about this stunning natural site. It is called the Karishi Waterfall. My adventure with you today is behind this rock. Follow me.
A little drive behind the rock, we had to park because the road said no to cars. Karishi Waterfall is a hidden nature. Take my word for it. After parking along the road, of course, we began our foot journey. I was stunned seeing a rice farm for the first time in my life. Embarrassing, yeah, but well, I have seen it. These people are the only humans we saw on our way, but they say the area is inhabited by farmers and herders. Meet the team. Of course, the locals which we approached earlier who became our tour guide. Sean, a fellow YouTuber and tech guru. This is him saying hello in a very funny way. Favor Johnson, a media guru. The guy in Portugal. And our pilot, Friday.
Sean pass.
To say the least, this journey was exhausting, but it was worth it. We encountered our first obstacle. As shallow as this water you're seeing seems, it is very deep. Rocks are placed in the water to aid easy crossing. It took over 50 to 70 minutes to get to the waterfall, home to several types of rocks, as you can see, rough paths of grasses, shrubs, and rocks. I went during the rainy season, as we explained earlier. We slipped, I fell. Unfortunately, we couldn't capture that on camera. This is the amazing final peak before getting to the waterfall. My heart raced as I gazed at the towering rock that stood between I and the breathtaking waterfall I had heard whispers of. Determination glinted in my eyes. I took a deep breath and began my ascent.
Oh God. Scariest journey of my life. Eh? Now I first come. Who go home?
As you can see, our fingers are finding crevices and our feet searching for secure footholds. Each movement was a battle against fear and doubt. Take my word for it. But the image of the cascading waterfall motivated us to keep going. My hands grew calloused and my muscles trembled with effort. Sweat streamed down my forehead, down my big forehead.
I should remove my shoe.
We slipped a couple of times. Doubt filled my heart. I told myself maybe this was too much. Listen to me.
Esther, wait. Esther, you're not paying nearly enough for this journey.
What? Don't follow because I'm behind you. Can you pass?
You can do it. Emilio, come.
Oh God.
It's my turn.
But every time I looked back down, the thought of the stunning waterfall ignited a fire within me. I told myself I'm not giving up.
Come. Easy.
I can't.
Shola, you can come. You can. Support her. Your leg from there. You can do it.
Finally, my fingers grasped the edge of the rock, of course with help. I pulled myself up with the last reserve of my strength, gasping for breath. I staggered though. My eyes met the spectacle I had reached everything for. The waterfall, a majestic masterpiece of nature cascaded down from the great heights, its water sparkling in the fading light. My heart swelled with a mix of awe, relief, and accomplishment. I had conquered the rock, faced my fear, and earned my place to witness the beauty that unfolded before me. I realized that the struggle had been worth every blister and ache. The memory of this moment would forever remind me of my determination and perseverance. Even the most daunting obstacles could be overcome, leading to the breathtaking rewards beyond imagination. It is alleged that this waterfall is backed with mysteries, that whatsoever you ask of shall be granted. This is me channeling my inner Elijah, in fact, to ask for the blessing. So, did it work? Well, what do you think?
Karishi Waterfall not only provides a scenic view, but also provides a perfect setting for some fun-filled activities. Whether you're swimming in crystal clear waters or having a picnic with your friends. Before we end this video, this is a quick reminder to prioritize safety. When visiting natural attractions like Karishi Waterfalls, always follow the designated path. Avoid stepping on slippery rocks and be conscious while swimming. Let us all do our part to preserve this beautiful place for future generations. So we made it back to the car.